It's been a great career.
I love my job.
Zimbrick's a great place to work because it's family owned. They treat you like family. They care about you. They care about the customer, and they are certainly involved with our community.
I have never worked for an organization that had this many opportunities. If you get into a position, say it's not necessarily a good fit, there's always another opening. There's always somewhere to go within the organization.
I really like the teamwork. It takes teamwork from all aspects. It takes a team of service writers to get the information. It takes the technicians to fix it. It takes the car washers to wash them, make them look nice when the customers pick them up. And it's just one big team.
When I first started, I thought I would have to like prove myself worthy of working there, but everyone was really accepting and just no one is unwilling to help.
You get to know so many people within the company. It is a large organization, and I feel like I can walk into almost any building and at least know one person there.
Zimbrick is unique because a lot of the employees that work for Zimbrick have been working for the company for most of their life. Some of the guys that I work with have been there 10, 15 years.
I really like the team concept. As a team, there are 5 members or 4 members on a team, and you have a team lead. With that team lead, he takes the responsibility to train and advance you and anything you can do to make yourself better. It's a great way to advance yourself and work with other technicians that have more experience when you first start out.
I've had a friend who was interested in coming to work for Zimbrick, never worked on a car in his life. And 6 months later, he is booking more work than some of the guys that have worked there for 10 years. And we're totally delighted with his progression so far.
They have a very aggressive profit plan, profit sharing plan, a 401k plan. If an employee gets into their young age and invests and makes the right decisions and right moves, you can retire from there with a very strong pension and benefit.
Zimbrick's a great place to work because they take care of their own and they actually care about their employees. One unique thing about Zimbrick is it's nice that they take and look at employees who are trying to move up and better themselves first rather than just put out an ad.
Don't think twice. There's absolutely no reason to think twice. This is one of the best organizations I could even imagine working for.
I would encourage anybody to come to Zimbrick's and talk to one of the managers if you're thinking about taking that career path and spend some time with us and maybe shadow with us for a half a day and see if it's something where, if it's your culture you like, if it's the position you may be interested in, and certainly more than glad to talk to anybody that's looking to come into the Zimbrick Incorporated.
At Zimbrick, we are looking for motivated people to join our family. Is it time for you to start your Zimbrick story? You can learn more at zimbrick.com/careers.
Come join the family.
Join the family.
Join the family.
Join the Zimbrick family.
A career as a service technician isn't just for boys.
All you have to do is click the link below to fill out your application.
Come join the Zimbrick family.